Hello everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick update on the tank now I've completed it. If you go back and watch the first video, you'll get all the details of it. I might also do a pricing video of what this cost me to build, but as you can see there, I've got my 4 Pseudotropheus or Chindongo saulosi cichlids in there now, and they're obviously all yellow at the moment as they're all juveniles, but I think there's one in there that's starting to get some black stripes on his finnage, so I think I might have 3 females and 1 male, which would be a nice ratio. I'm obviously gonna get a couple more. Try and see if I can get in a bit closer on any of them. So I'd say they're probably about 5 centimetres at the minute. They will get up to about 8 to 10 centimetres. There I have an alligator. I don't actually know what type of fish that is. If anyone does, I got it off my sister and her kids' tank. That they shut down and they needed to get rid of the fish, so I just took it on as an alligator. And obviously I've got all my guppies in here, which I am going to look to rehome once these, well, I'm trying to do it at the minute to be honest, but once they get a bit bigger they're obviously going to start chasing them down and trying to attack them and whatnot. If we go in over the top, I think since last time you've seen it, well, you might have been some on the previous video, I've put a lot of detail stone in there now, just to give it a bit of an extra effect. And then there's the DIY lights. So that's just a 15-watt LED light from Amazon on a wooden stand with a cable running through the top and down the back so you can't see it. I've added some plants. I know a lot of people don't to CICHLID aquariums, but I had these plants from my old setup, and my water, tap water, is super hard and has a lot of nitrate in it out the tap, so I do like to have some plants in there to suck up the nitrates out of the water. So just in that corner there's a big bit of Anubias which had a lot of algae on it, so I give it a dip. So them yellowing bits are dying algae that's falling off. This is a peace lily. It's actually out of this bigger peace lily that I've got. It's just in a little pot by itself, and what I've done is there's filter wool at the bottom of these pots and then a bit of soil on top and then the plant in there, so the soil doesn't fall through the bottom of the pot into the aquarium. Then these two are just clipped on with a clip that you can't see. And then floating plants, I've just got some water lettuce and a bit of hornwort that was in there previously. That's a Monstera cutting or runner that again is just in the plant pot with a bit of filter wool at the bottom, and then that is what you call it, everyone uses it in the fish tanks. It's completely gone from my mind now. Pathos, there it is, there's the pathos plant that it's cut from. It's just starting to get a root now on there. It's just lent in, so you see it's been in there for a week or so, it's just starting to root. This one's just lent in there between the filter pipes. It's got like a little cup on the top of it, you can just go in like that. So they're doing okay at the minute. I'm not sure how long this Monstera will last, although it is getting a new shoot there, so it seems to be doing fine. I'm not sure how these would work dipped in water long term, so I don't think they're supposed to be in fully submerged water all the time. But then I've got a sticker lucky bamboo which is looking a bit worse for wear. I've had that for a good couple of years now, and I think it was in my old tank that I left out in the conservatory there was major algae fired. I think basically all the nutrients had been leached from the water because they had so many plants in it. Could do with cutting it back and letting it regrow. But yeah, let me know what you think of it in the comments. The filter's still going strong down there. Fluval 407. If you haven't seen the previous build and custom stand that I built myself with just some cladding on that I've stained. So yeah, that is the tank now all set up, just waiting to get rid of a few of these guppies, and then I'll add some more cichlids in, and we'll see from then. I might give you an update in a couple of months when the fish have grown out a bit so you can see the different colours. So that's just a quick video for today everyone, and I will see you again on the next one.